Years ago I didn't do any exercise, and over the last 4 years I've started doing more exercise and I feel so much better for it. It's good for your body, good for your mind, good in so many ways, in ways that we probably don't even understand. After a while you get addicted and start to see how different it is exercising outside in comparison to doing it indoors. So you get hooked after a while. You know, you're looking at the sea, you're looking at the cliffs, you're looking at other people on the beach, and the hour goes so fast. It's been very beneficial for me. And also sometimes my family come along and sometimes they join in, sometimes they go off for a walk themselves. I've made new friends. From doing the sporting activity, you then do more things with other people that aren't sporting related. It's not heavy exercise, it's exercise whilst having some fun outdoors. It's a big part of my life now, sport. I can't imagine life without it anymore.